Allow me to ask a straight question. If you are fed up with your boss, why don't you leave the job? I understand it's not as simple as it sounds due to financial constraints. So, we will explore the way out and see how can you elevate yourself to become a financial giant. Hello everyone, I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting your wealth. Had enough of your boss? It's time to take charge of your financial future. Let me walk you through 3 simple stages to become a financial giant. No more bosses, no more limits. Stage 1. Start now. Every journey begins with a single step. The first step to becoming financial giant is starting right where you are. But how? First, save aggressively. Set aside at least 20% of your income. If that feels tough, start with 10% and work your way up. Second, get your finances in order. Create a monthly budget to track your income and expenses. Identify wasteful spendings and redirect those funds to savings and investments. Third, seek guidance from a financial coach. Work with an experienced and qualified financial advisor. As a financial coach, this expert will guide you through tough financial phases, providing clarity, keeping you motivated to stay on track. Stage 2. Grow it. Now that you have started, it's time to make your money work for you. That is where the magic happens. First, invest wisely. Diversify your investments. Start with low risk options like large cap mutual fund. Second, build passive income. Think of income streams that don't need your daily efforts. Third, stay consistent. Invest regularly through SIPs or other systematic methods. Fourth, upskill and earn more. Learn new skills to earn more in your current job or start a side hustle. The goal here is not just to grow your money, but to create a system where your money grows even when you are not working. Stage 3. Receive it. This is where all your hard work pays off. Becoming a financial giant is not just about money, it's about choices. First, achieve financial independence. Imagine waking up every day knowing your investments and passive income covering all your expenses. Second, live life on your term. Pursue new career options or passions you are always wanted. Third, protect your wealth. At this stage, diversify further to permanently secure your freedom. Believe me, financial freedom is not just a dream, it is a strategy. And by following these 3 stages, you make it a reality and become a financial giant. No more reporting to your boss, no more dreading Mondays. Now, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Don't ask your kids what they want to become. Ask them at what age they plan to achieve financial freedom. This way, they will actually become what they want to be. Sooner or later, they will realize the importance of it. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I'll see you in the next video.